How to get a donation button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a free game pass on Roblox so that then you can get a donation button on your stand and please donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Roblox mobile app. If you're already in a game, go ahead and close that game and then just go back to the main screen of Roblox here. Once you're there, select More in the bottom menu, then scroll down and select Create. Once in Create, select the three lines next to Home in the top left, and then select the arrow next to Creator Hub, and then Dashboard. So now that we're on our dashboard, you'll see your places here. And if you have multiple places, make sure you select a public place. So go ahead and select it. Now that we're on a place, select the three lines again next to Dashboard, and then scroll down and under Monetization, select Passes. So I already have some passes created, but all you need to do is select Create a Pass. You can upload an image if you want to, but you don't have to. And we really just need to give it a name. And keep in mind with all of this, you want to make sure that you're not doing anything offensive or that breaks Roblox rules because you could get your account banned if you do anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. You can give it a description if you want, but you don't have to. And then select Create Pass. It'll then bring us back to the passes page here, and you should see your pass below. Get button is the one I just created. So now just select the game pass we just created. And once you're on basic settings for the game pass, select the three lines in the top left next to dashboard, and then select sales. From there, all you need to do is toggle on item for sale, and then enter the amount in Robux that you want to be donated. And keep in mind that Roblox will keep 30% of this. So if you put 100 in, you're only going to get 70 Robux because Roblox will keep 30% of that. So I'm just going to do 100 as an example, and then I'm going to select Save Changes. It may ask you to enable regional pricing. Go ahead and do that. Once Save Changes is gray like that, all we need to do is go up, select these three dots right here, and then go back to Passes. And then you should see the pass right there. You can scroll to the right, and if you see a Robux number under current price, that means that that pass is ready, and we're now ready to go into Please Donate and create our stand, and the button will show up. So I'm going to select the X in the top left, and then open up Please Donate, and then I'm just going to go up to an unclaimed stand, hold it down to claim it, and now you can see that that second 100 Robux donation button is showing up because that is the button that we just created. So that's how you get donation button and Please Donate. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.